Hi, good morning Ian, it's Scott at Porsche in Aberdeen. Ian, I'm really sorry to hear that your car's in. I didn't know, but this is a wee video I said I'd send you. So the car is currently up on the ramp. You'll see that they've started preparing for the big task on Monday, where they will be taking the engine out. So I've spoken to Tony and I've just let him know that you would like to come in and actually see the engine once it's actually out of the car. So on Monday I'll give you an update and let you know exactly where they're at. Now I am away on training from Monday afternoon. I won't be back till Thursday or Friday. But I will get in contact with you on Monday. If you want to come in today to have a look at the car, then feel free. But that's why I'm sending you a video, because there's not much more, if anything, going to be done today. It's actually scheduled for Monday. Give us a call if you need more information, and we'll speak to you soon, okay? Have a great weekend, and we'll contact each other again on Monday, unless I hear from you beforehand.